How to fix lag in OBS recording on low-end PC. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your OBS studio, then go to the settings, and after that on the left hand side you will be able to find the video settings. Just simply open it up. Make sure that your aspect ratio is 16:9, and as for the base resolution, it should be 1280 by 720. This is basically 720p and this is the lowest. If you want to go higher or medium, just improve it further. After that, for the downscale filter, make sure that you have selected Lencos with the 36 samples. Now for the common FPS, just select 30. Now go to output settings and change it to advanced. Here you will be able to find the option of encoder. Change it to X264 if you don't have any graphic card, and if you have it, then just switch to Nvidia. Otherwise, make sure that you select X264 if you are on low-end PC. And for the rate control, select CBR. Now for the bit rate, make sure that you have selected 2500 kbps in case if you are on a low-end PC. Otherwise, you can just simply improve it, and for the medium range you can go to 13,000 or 16,000. After that, for the CPU uses, make sure that you have selected very fast or super fast. After that, go to the recording settings, and in recording settings, select the format as MP4, and for the encoder, it should be same as the previous settings like X264, and increase the bitrate if it is blurry while you are recording it. Otherwise, just keep it at 2500 kbps. And for the audio settings, just select the bitrate at 160. Now go to the advanced settings on the left hand side panel, and in the process priority, make sure that you select above normal, and this is it. And after that, OBS Studio should be working quite fine even on a low-end PC. Just apply these settings and click OK, and just enjoy. This is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.